Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka All Meghalaya Dancers Association Haka arkunyo trik uno pra arhaja apusan kalapen kot no ya ka Jingïakop Shad kata ka Meghalaya Superstar National Level ya ka balapen long ha State Central Library Shillong. Haka ni ka Jingïakop Shad lawan banishim benta de ki Nongjop ki watbet na keleng ki jela. Namar haka ni ka Jingïakop Shad la sha ya baro kat ki bakwa banishim benta la ki de ki banaga jela Meghalaya ni ki we pat ki jela. Haka ni ka Jingïakop Shad ki balara ya ka Nongjop ki long UMD Sahil nanong ba Shillong Haka Junior Category Krishan Uji na Bhopal Assam Senior Category Barga Kynhun The Real Brother nanong ba Delhi Haka Group Category Kini ki bajob kilayo eka song pisa ka trophy bat ka sernot Kinong bishar haka ni ka Jingïakop Shad ki kentop yaw nepo unong shad hip hop bapaw kari nangta u Abhishek unong shad bapaw kari ubadey naga Kynhun Unity One Crew Kajing pelong ya ka AMDA ya ka ne ka Jingïakop Shad ka dayru komshi benta ban rakhe ya ka jingdap arpusan snem ka Kynhun na do balaseng ya ka bat ka ne ka dayru ka dak ban pli perda ya ka jing rakhe bat kansep khliap lama haus nem bathamai na dard hai na
Hello guys, I am season 4 and I'm a hip hop dancer and I'm from Uttarakhand. I'm dancing from past 9 years. I won 2 times Red Bull Dancer Style National Championship. I represented India 2 times. In first in 2022 in South Africa, second in 2023 in Germany. And I also did a reality show which is called India's Best Dancer Season 4. I'm a 4th runner-up of that show, and yes, my life is still going on and I'm keep pushing it to forward. Just the hard work, the motivation, because my father always says never stop. I give big thanks to my father who keep always motivating me. He supports me. I think because of him I reached this kind of success in life, and I want more, and I'll keep working on it. The Meghalaya scene right now is so amazing. I see the pure talent, I see the pure natural beauties of dance here in Meghalaya, and I give big shout out to the All Meghalaya Dancers Association who are supporting the youth and looking forward, and also a big thanks to Kynhun sir for having me here as a judge of Grand Finale Meghalaya Superstar. I just want to say, just be real, be who you are. If you are Khasi, if you are something, just be who you are, like always connect to your roots, and I'm saying all the best for all the Meghalaya dancers.
Thank you. So hi, myself Abhishek, representing Unity One Crew. I belong from Guwahati and I represented India for 2 times in the World Championship, and we are 2-time gold medalist in India in Hip Hop Dance Championship. It's one of the biggest hip hop dance championship in the world for the crews, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so for me it's been almost 15 to 16 years I've been in dance, but professionally it's 12 to 13 years, and I belong from a very remote area near Arunachal, and I used to stay in Guwahati for 12 years, and I formed a crew. Its name is Unity One Crew, and that's how I believe that my crew can go for international and can win the international title for India. My dream is to get the gold medal for the India, and bring the crew culture again in the Indian scene. Yeah. The talent from Shillong is really amazing, as we seen in the stage today. It was really a great performance we have been through, and a great performance, and yeah, all the best to all the artists from Shillong. I mean, the street, the stage, everything. So yeah, that's
Do you have any advice?
The main thing is be authentic and believe in yourself. That's the only way you can succeed. And not go for the first track. Go for the slow track, because slow success is the thing which you need. Yeah. Mr. Kynhun, because we have been known from 2016, and he has been helping us from many years, and we have many plans in the future.
Working for that international.
Yeah, international thing. And yeah, actually I want to bring the title for my Northeast, not for Assam only, and not for the Guwahati, but it's for the Northeast. Yeah, thank you so much.
Kadang jungai kadang kemen hostanan mat ka igi jingtu jungi menswa gi long dengan Meghalaya superstar state level. Ma atu ka di benta long ba ngin pelong petang ka Meghalaya ba. Dia hendak gi sutu pat gi sutu sai pat pangi don kam ba ngin khot ya ka all over India. Berapa ke India. Kenang bagi artis ki kon gi Nongjop sini gi sutu. Cái standard cái Shad cho cái beri panabang kat ni. Nanti kadang gila show nak kena komedi jungi di day tahu sudah hidup nak show kecil berkat hidup bah in warna dengan national level. Kapan warna national level kapan kini kita lagi kena Assam lah ni kini iya tak kin fokus yang tak talent jadi beri bertemu Meghalaya jungi kena. Tapi cái bagi warna cái ni kalau penceluh lagi, mendai tak punya Shad tak mengi, mau punya Shad tak mengi. Dia cái bang warna cái ni akan mau yang buat musuh awak raja kendai, raja pra Meghalaya kadang sendana. Musuh mesti Shad dari Pok Meghalaya. Shad tak pra mengi bikin ya rem ya job pra mengi. Dan lay ak kapor ngami nang ni ngasutu ba ngaham ban dia tengku bor bat kibri panama. Mai tu bor ni. Mas ndap amit pol house dam arajar nyau masalah arajar nyau mas ndap amit pol dia arajar pra ngami hau na bombar siapa ka DID apa Gowdi ngasaji siapa Kolkata ngasaji si Mumbai dengan apa yang level na prengki lailang mun ki priyo musim audition apa Kolkata Mumbai ngayo benung apa top 50 ke ba ngakani ke message kalong ba yaki kon samla dan sam yang jalan Meghalaya phim day ban tiang ma phim day ban tiang ban ni ka dikai wei ke ban ko ke ba gin slur ba gin tai sitam but ni hamo Meghalaya changi rung gidi bet sudah kayak support kan long Steve Jerwa like Steve Jerwa and then Yaman and then Dapi Vishal we have more dancers ni dan sibun ba ni dancer tawa akan tu pi wei pat am kini ban mi besi kemat nomor ba we are coming soon on that 2026 ngin sa penlong ni akan Meghalaya Superstar National Level Season 3 will coming soon. So I requested all youth kids talented to come forward. Le pa practice pa one sekmat ban challenge bat kini kibriu ki bana sabah. Nyama ka jindan kan ki kibriu bana sabah kan long experience dili. Plus tenta beli ke jiwa jungi workshop. Why should we bring here that workshop? We bring here the workshop is to teach and guiding to dancers of Meghalaya. Jadi kita orang yang workshop tu orang yang ke training untuk kita suatu ke teknik nama mentah lah dengan Shad ni hari kan suatu. Dan kita kena kita Shad kita YouTube kan kita patip tu yang teknik juga Shad tu tempat ke teknik juga kesap kono. Jadi jika tu juga kalau kini ban simkia kalau kan kita ban praktis but next misalnya mah di nakalian ko assistant ke jogi nakalian ko all Meghalaya dan association ngadap nak kemen si pun hak apa nakalian chief minister Shri ba kontrak sama ulah keluar support dia kan dika program ke jogi di kani kadang dia ke opening ke closing ke sawan dengan suban aku play but nakalian ke department juga art and cultures nak sport bat dengan bigal tourism ba ngai ba nakalian sarkar astaman khidmat hakipur pemensua ngala jale ban keren bang sarkar ngala yang ku ki bot ki jing ande menang bang sarkar sedang menyei yang ka ba ka all Meghalaya dancer kala le ka train dong tak ikut samla ban keren bang sarkar Meghalaya apa ke jalam jong isa kontrak sama ba nan kat bat ngi bat ngin nang la susu telun habai dei bani kam
Kumba kanungan ay kinong sementai. Badak.
Habai dei bagi nung sementai kita kumbasa usan.
Kiban apa nuhun?
Ki badan apa kita badan Meghalaya kita.
Kina jelai kita di bawah cinta.
Ki badan apa jalan Meghalaya ki dan kat tukat ni pak ki babun hi te ki bun apa. Mentang nong ki apa Mumbai, na Kolkata, na Bhopal, na Uttarakhand, na apa Bangalore ki bun ha ki bun. Tinggi cepat ngide taka national level, dapat flight taka national level bun pak lawan kami tem namla sepan iu na Bihar dan hi. Ten Meghalaya juni ki don baki debate bahan apa Meghalaya juni.